Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Academy. In this episode, we'll be discussing what quartiles are. So quartiles are a specific number in a sequence, but in order to fully understand them, we must first figure out the median. So here is the sequence that we are going to be figuring out the median of. We can use the formula n plus 1 is divided by 2 to figure out the median, where n is the number of numbers in the sequence. So there are 9 numbers in this sequence, so we'll substitute n for 9, which gives us the answer 5. So we'll color code m, which is a median, and we'll color code it yellow. And then let's figure out what the median is. Because if the median is the 5th number in the sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 is the median of this sequence. So how do you figure out the lower quartile? Well, in order to understand quartiles, you have to understand that there are 2 types of quartiles. There's the lower quartile and there's the upper quartile. The lower quartile is equal to 1/4 through a sequence. The upper quartile is 3/4 through a sequence, and for reference, a median again is 1/2 through a sequence. So in order to figure out the lower quartile and upper quartile, here are some formulas in order to understand them too. So first we will do lower quartile. So the formula for lower quartile is n plus 1 divided by 4 instead of 2. So where n is the amount of numbers in the sequence again. So n is equal to 9, so 9 plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 2.5. Ooh, there's a little bit of a problem here. There's a half number, but how are we going to figure out a number in half? But don't worry, we'll talk about that later. So now let's figure out the upper quartile. So there are 9 numbers in the sequence. So 3 times 9 plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 7.5. So in order to figure out the lower quartile, we need to count 2.5. But there is no 2.5 number. It's the first number, the second number, the third number, but there's no 2.5 number. Well, in order to calculate this, in order to calculate the 0.5 number, we need to find the middle of these 2 numbers, which is 5. So the middle of 2 and 3 is 5. And here we have LQ color coding it to make sure that's simple. So now we're going to do the same with the upper quartile. So 1, 2, 7, 7.5. And what's in the middle? What is the middle number between 14 and 16? It's 15. So we'll color code it. Thanks for listening. And that's how you figure out a lower quartile, an upper quartile, and a median. Here are all the formulas we used in this video, and I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. Thanks for listening. Bye.